Chatham Comfort Controls Heating and Air Conditioning, your Chicagoland authorized American Standard and Dunkirk boiler dealer. What you're looking at today is the removal of an old Sears Kenmore 140,000 BTU hot water boiler. We replaced it with our Dunkirk DXL 125,000 BTU hot water boiler. The last boiler had cracked sections and was oversized. What this boiler included today was all copper piping to code, new expansion tank, new circulator pump, new water feeder, and a digital electronic thermostat. All residential jobs are guaranteed to be done in one day. We do have friendly, low payment financing for homeowners. You can visit us online at chathamcomfortcontrols.com or ccc-hvac.com. Give us a call, 773-842-4299, South Suburbs 708-674-6313. A+ rated with the BBB, highly reviewed, Google guaranteed contractor.
Hello, Mr. Gillard. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir. How about yourself?
I'm well, thank you.
Okay.
How did you hear about Chatham Comfort Controls?
My boiler went out. I was trying to find a new one. I knew a new one. So I live close by. I ride past. I saw 81st of Indiana. You know what I'm saying? I copied the number down, got to the house. I did some research on trying to find a boiler. You know what I'm saying? But I was going to try somebody else, but since we the same color, why not? You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I gave him a call. He come out, took care of the business. My man, the old boiler, he tried to fix at least 5 times. Coming back and forth. Couldn't fix it. Just like, man, I need a new one. Got a new one. He made sure I got a new one. Brought it in, took the old one out, cleaned up, did a beautiful job. Recommend y'all try these brothers out. Recommend y'all try these brothers out. Recommend y'all try these brothers out. They do good work. Keep the money in the neighborhood. All right, my ladies, I am single, ready. And you can reach me out on my Facebook page, David Gillard. Thank you.